Let's say that you decide to install a fruiting tree, and in this case, let's use apple as an example. While you could just go ahead and plant that in the ground and call it good, can actually help yourself and your plant quite a bit by installing a guild around that. So let's talk about what a guild looks like. A guild is a neighborhood of plants that surround the main fruiting tree, and it's a series of neighbors that help to do a whole host of functions. So you can do this in a circle or a square. For my fruiting trees, I do 4-foot by 4-foot designated guild spaces. I started just by sheet mulching with cardboard. That killed all the grass and the weed growth underneath. On top of that, I laid some sticks, some decaying straw, and then I put a ton of compost and topsoil on top of that. And voila, you are ready to plant. The first usual guild member I'm going to install around an apple is going to be comfrey. Comfrey has a really long taproot, so it's a nutrient accumulator. It pulls nutrients from deep within the soil layers up to the shallower roots of the apple tree, and they can absorb it better. It also is great for chopping and just dropping as mulch. I'm also going to add some chives because they repel unwanted insects. Next, I interplant a whole bunch of nasturtium. Nasturtium repels unwanted insects, but it also attracts beneficial insects like predatory wasps. For a natural weed suppressant and a little bit of a mulcher, I'm going to plant mint and I'm going to plant strawberries. The strawberry blossoms attract bees and beneficial insects that will also pollinate the apple blossoms, but also mint and strawberries are going to crowd out other weeds from growing in, and they just keep the soil moist and shaded and cool. Finally, I typically add clover. Clover will spread, but while it does so, it fixes nitrogen. Again, it's going to cover the soil, prevent unwanted growth and weeds, and just make sure that the moisture and the cool temperatures remain on the soil surface. You can see how full that this is getting. And the reason that we want that is because we're going to use all of these plants to our and the tree's advantage. We don't have to fertilize as much. We don't have to water as much. We don't have to pull weeds as much. And the tree is happier and healthy for it. In addition to that, this is what planting in nature looks like. No tree is bare in nature naturally all by itself. It's always filled and surrounded with tons of helpful, beneficial plantings that attract insects, repel unwanted insects, mine nutrients from the soil, act as weed suppressants, acts as nutrient accumulators, and natural mulchers. This is exactly how Mother Nature intended it in order for us to have inputs and facilitate soil outputs for the health of the apple tree. Check out page 160 of my book, The Sustainable Homestead, for neighborhood guild recipes for all different kinds of fruiting trees.